Oh man, looks like we crash landed.
We built the Spacetime Cruiser as an immersive learning environment for kids and adults alike. It's escape room as edutainment with bits of space exploration history sprinkled in.
Oh look. It's a lockbox. Let's see if we can find...
The good news is you don't have to be an engineer to successfully escape. The bad news? You might have to ask for help. How's the robot owl looking?
Looks like it should work. Wanna try?
Yeah, let's test it out.
Hello. Do you have a question?
The password for the metal lock box.
Who might have locked the box? What might be his favorite number? Look carefully at the Dr. Bontem's photo.
As co-founder of the Makery, I'm inspired by whimsical worlds that embed STEM and hands-on imaginative learning. After going to a couple escape rooms, it hit me that an escape room could be just that. So my team at the Makery transformed a Manhattan office space into an outer space playground. So far, people from all walks of life have come through the room. It's been very rewarding to watch how people collectively problem solve and invent their own ways out. If you want to partner with us in building the next Spacetime Cruiser or a new immersive experience altogether, you know where to find us. All right, gotta go.